How many of us take the time to understand our indigenous species in Trinidad and Tobago? The El Socorro Center for Wildlife Conservation, through its efforts, are attempting to share knowledge to citizens about wildlife. On Wednesday, I visited the Conservation and Rehab Center in Freeport, a location that can only be accessed through an appointment. Most of the animals at the center were either rescued from the illegal animal trade, left for dead, or abandoned by the owner, who cannot afford to maintain their exotic pets anymore.
We've been around for just about 8 years now, and we started in El Socorro. Only about a year and a half now, we've moved down to Freeport. Our aim is to educate the public about wildlife conservation, do wildlife rehabilitation when animals encounter people and they end up on the wrong end and are injured or orphaned, as well as to do some propagation.
The center has snakes, leatherback turtles, birds, monkeys, ocelots, a pelican, even a donkey, and iguanas, which I held for the first time.
Not for food, for conservation.
The center has successfully bred and rehabilitated animals back into the wild. Director Gian Narain Singh says the number of wild indigenous animals are dwindling and this needs to be addressed.
The numbers are so few in the wild and the breeding has now become centralized. We have doubts as to whether cousins are breeding with cousins, whether there is really good genetic diversity.
The center is not funded by the state and most of the funding is raised on its own. I am Otto Carrington reporting for CNC3 News.